Here's how to fix microphone not working in NVIDIA App. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then, open the Control Panel. Next to View By, select Large Icons. Now, click on Sound and open the Recording tab at the top. Here, make sure your microphone is enabled and set as the default device. To do this, select your microphone and click Set Default. You should also disable any microphones that you're not currently using. Right-click on an unused microphone and select Disable. Keep your active microphone enabled and disable the other devices that you don't need. Once you've finished, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, open the NVIDIA app and bring up the NVIDIA overlay by pressing Alt+Z. Find the microphone option and turn it off. Next, select Instant Replay and turn that off as well. After that, go back to the previous screen and open the NVIDIA app settings. Here, click on Audio and look for the source option. Make sure your actual microphone is selected as the audio source. Select the microphone you want to use for recording. Once you've selected the correct microphone, close the settings and open the NVIDIA overlay again. Go back to Instant Replay and turn it back on. Then, return to the microphone settings and change the microphone mode to Always On. Now, try recording a clip and check whether your microphone is working correctly. If the microphone still isn't working, go to the taskbar and right-click on the volume icon. Then, select Sound Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Input section. Here, you'll see the microphones connected to your computer. Select a microphone that you aren't currently using. If you want to prevent Windows from using that microphone, click Don't Allow to disable it. Repeat this process for any other microphones that you're not using, while keeping your main microphone enabled. After making these changes, open the NVIDIA app again and test your microphone by recording another clip. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.